Hi everyone, today we will talk about a hot topic. Can the President of the Philippines direct cabinet secretaries to resign? Legal ba ito? Anong basihan sa batas? Let's break it down in simple terms. Recently, the President of the Philippines asked all cabinet secretaries to submit their courtesy resignation. Para bang mag-resign muna kayo kahit wala pa akong pinapalitan? Marami ang nagtatanong, pwede ba yon? At kung pwede, saan ito nakabase? Let's find out. Under the 1987 Constitution, Article 7, Section 16, ang Pangulo ay may karapatang magtalaga ng mga kalihim ng gabinete or cabinet secretaries. Since siya ang nag-appoint, may power din siyang magtanggal. Basically, cabinet members are alter egos of the president. Parang extension ng kanyang kamay. Kung hindi na-align ang values or directions nila sa Pangulo, he can legally ask them to step down. In the case of Drilon versus Lim, sinabi ng Supreme Court na the President has control over executive departments, meaning pwedeng palitan ng Pangulo ang desisyon ng kahit sino mang opisyal sa ilalim niya. At pwede rin niyang palitan ang taong iyon mismo kung kinakailangan. Now, let's talk about the pleasure doctrine. Hindi ito romantic ha. Sa batas, kapag sinabing someone serves at the pleasure of the president, ibig sabihin pwede siyang tanggalin kahit kailan with or without cause. Sa mga kasong Alahar versus Alba at Valdez versus Tuwason, klaro, cabinet secretaries are political appointees. So kapag sinabi ng Pangulo na thank you for your service, tapos na agad ang appointment mo. Some people ask, paano ang security of tenure? Good question. Under the law, only career service officials have security of tenure. Pero ang mga cabinet secretaries are coterminous with president. Ibig sabihin, hanggat gusto ka ng Pangulo, may trabaho ka. Pero once nawala ng tiwala ang Pangulo, tapos ang istorya. Sa kasong CSC versus Salas, the court said, coterminous means the job ends when the boss wants it to end. Let's back this up with more cases. Sa kasong Pimentel versus Ermita, the power to appoint includes the power to remove. Sa kasong Binay versus Executive Secretary, the President can act through the Executive Secretary when dealing with appointees. And sa kasong Delon versus Lim, again, this confirms full control of the President over the executive branch. Lahat ito ay nagpapatibay sa kapangyarihan ng Pangulo pagdating sa mga itinalagang opisyal. So to wrap up, yes, the President can legally ask cabinet secretaries to resign. It is in the Constitution, backed up by the doctrine of control and the pleasure doctrine, supported by case law. At kung ayaw mag-resign ng secretary, walang problema. The President can simply revoke the appointment. It is that simple. This is JM, and remember, I will always be your law companion.